Hello boys and beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be doing the infamous space buns. So the first thing that I always like to do is start off with a comb. I will be doing the high space buns. I won't be doing the low space buns. I'll probably do the low buns in another video, but right now I'm just going to part my hair directly down the middle. If you know how to do designs and zigzags, I say go for it, but for now I just want to keep it sweet and simple. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and get my hair parted to my liking. So now that my hair is parted to my liking, I'm going to use my 24-hour Edge Tamer edge control to lay down my hair. So you want to make sure anytime you use edge control, you use oil directly after so that you won't have any flakes in your hair. So I also have a hard wooden brush that I will be using to lay my hair flat as well. This brush personally helps me because my hair is like kinky curly and it does lay my hair down to my liking. So I'm just going to go ahead and brush my hair, and I'm going to do that on both sides. And also, instead of using a scrunchie, I will be using a rubber band to put my hair in two buns, my real hair in two buns. So I'm just going to go ahead and continue doing that. You can continue watching this, and I'm going to speed up the other side of my hair because it's kind of self-explanatory. That I was able to lay down my hair, the hair that we will be using is the Freetress Water Wave 22-inch crochet hair. And I also had to get a model pack of pretty much the same exact hair but just a different brand. So I went ahead and I took the hair out of the pack and I just put a rubber band around the hair and I placed it around my hair. And so now that I did that, I'm just going to simply take a white tooth comb and comb out the hair just to give it more of that thicker effect. And once I get that thicker effect to my liking, I'm just going to twist and wrap. And I'm going to continue to do that until my real hair is covered up. I want to say I use about 3 bobby pins on each bun. I did make sure that they were in comfortable spots because I didn't want to have any irritation. So you want to make sure if you have to use more, go ahead and use more. If you have to use less, just make sure it's in a comfortable spot. And once you do get that bun look that you want, you can either keep it real cute and curly, or you can take a few pieces out, you can cut the hair, and you can give it like that really cute, curly, natural feel. I was really feeling that, so I was like, I just want to go ahead and go for it. So I'm going to do the same exact thing on the opposite side of my hair. So go ahead and continue to watch. we are just about finished. So one thing that I do have to do, of course, is you know, lay these edges, of course. So I'm going to use the same edge control that I did use to lay my hair down in the first place, and I'm just going to take a rat tail comb and I am just going to lay down my edges. I'm not going to do anything crazy. I'm just going to lay them down on both sides to make sure that everything is nice and neat. I really like this hairstyle. For those of you who have natural, thick, curly hair, I would say go for it. But for those of you who have shorter hair like myself, go ahead and use weave, honey. So this is what the style looks like. I had to go ahead and throw on my, you know, my blazer and some earrings to spice it up. But in all, I really like this hairstyle. I would definitely rock this hairstyle at like a concert, or if I'm going out with my friends, or a cute day party. You know, if any of that had ever existed in 2020, that's what I would do. But I hope you all really like this look. I enjoyed this look. It literally did not even take me more than 10 minutes, honestly. So if you like this video, go ahead and like this video, comment, and definitely subscribe. I drop videos Wednesdays and Saturdays, and I hope to see you next time. Peace out.